Now, this is how you can put files on an iPad to Gmail. So that's really simple to do, and there are like two approaches you can take. For example, at first you can open up the Gmail app right away and then just click on the compose button to start a new email, and then you can click on the paperclip icon, which is going to essentially just let you choose if you want to pick the Photos app, Camera, Files, or Google Drive. So I assume that you have some files inside of the Files app, so click on that, and this will open up the pop-up so you can choose PDF files, photos, or even other file types which you want, and you can just open them in there and they should be added as an attachment, which then you can just choose the subject and the email text and the recipient, and you can easily just send it. Or you can go the other way around, where you just at first located that specific file which you want to share wherever it might be. So for example, you go to the Files app right away, you're going to locate that PDF or any kind of file which you want to share, as I mentioned, and then click on the share button. And from the options, you can choose Gmail right away. And as you can see, it's going to add it as an attachment. So again, you just need to fill out the rest of the stuff to be able to send it properly. And that's going to be about it. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. If you have learned something new perhaps, or if you have some thoughts or insights you want to share, go ahead and do so in the comments below. But for now, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.